Hello, students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I have given some grammatical exercises of lesson 3. Name of our lesson is The 1-Inch Boy. So today also I am going to discuss few more grammatical points of this lesson. The name of our lesson is The 1-Inch Boy. Before starting these beats, let me give you some important note of grammar. As we all know, grammar plays very important role in English. As a human being, we do a lot of work every day. And in our body, a spinal cord plays very important role. In the same way, grammar plays very important role in English. So, this was the point I just want to discuss a very important grammatical points. If you want to be a perfect in English, then you should understand the grammar points. Then only you can frame a perfect question, perfect sentence. And I believe you all are very good students and you all are following whatever we are teaching you in online class. So let us start the bits now. Correct order. Page number 23. Page 23. Correct order. In this bit, we have 4 sentences and that too, it's in jumble words. Before, in my previous video, I explained you jumbling sentences. Today I am going to explain you jumbling words. With the help of jumbling words, we are going to frame a perfect sentence. Correct order means what? We are making a sentence in a correct order with the help of few words. Put the word in the correct order, then match the pictures and the sentences. On, straight, go. It's not a perfect sentence. Go straight on. Second one, crossroads, left, the at turn. Turn left at the crossroads. Usually some of the children will do mistake at the time of saying crossroad. Never say crossroad. It's in roads. It's the plural form. Here you can see clearly 4 ways are there. So it comes under plural form. Crossroads. Now your next point is lights at turn the right traffic. Turn right at the traffic lights. Turn right at the traffic lights. Here in this picture you can see clearly. The next sentence, left second, the take road, the on. It's not a proper sentence at all, children. Take the second road on the left. Take the second road on the left. Here, second road on the left. First road and second road. In your next bit, you are going to understand the passage in a correct form. In this passage, there are some grammatical mistakes. So now we are going to find out where are the mistakes here. Grammar in use. As I mentioned you, grammar plays very important role in English. Let us start this passage. The Taj Intercontinental is very famous hotel in Mumbai. The Taj Intercontinental is a very famous hotel in Mumbai. Mumbai is a comes under which noun? It comes under proper noun. There is 2 pairs. Is comes for singular, R comes for plural. So PARTS, parts, comes for what? Plural form. They are 2 parts. The old Taj with 320 rooms and the new modern parts with 330 rooms. PART, part. Underline the wrong word and write the correct word in these blanks. Next sentence. This hotel is near a gateway of India. This hotel is near the gateway of India. From some of these rooms, there is a grand view of the sea. What will be the correct answer here? Of. View of the sea. It's a 5-star hotel and all the rooms are very comfortably. Wrong. All the rooms are very comfortable. The next one. The hotel has 5 excellent restaurants where service is very good. Next one. There is a swimming. ing form it did not mention. So we should write in a correct way. It's a swimming pool. A healthy club. Healthy club is a wrong. Health club. Beautiful shops and an art gallery also. Below you can see find the following terms of English grammar, gives examples. He is asking grammar as well as its example. First, as I know, my children are aware of parts of speech. Anyhow, you all are aware of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction. So today, in this book, we can see noun. What is noun? Definition of noun is a naming word. Example, boy, girl, car, cat, etc. Second one, verb. Verb is an action word. Coming, cooking, eating, sitting, these all are action words. Pronoun. Instead of noun, we use pronoun. He, she, it, there. Examples are this. He, she, it, there. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. If you describe something beautiful, ugly, these all are describing words like tall, short, big, small, thin, fat. These all are adjectives. Preposition shows the position of noun or pronoun. I'll give you in my next class in detail about these grammar points. Conjunction. A word which joins the sentences. A word which joins the sentences. Let me give you one example of this. Example, I am reading and writing. It means that you are reading as well as writing. I am explaining and observing, and comes under conjunction. So I believe with this you understood the meaning of conjunction and the examples too. Jot down this all sentences as well as this vocabulary, whatever I have given you below, and the grammatical mistakes too in your textbook. Take a snap and send to HW teacher as an homework. Have a nice day.